Tutorials sample video.
Hi guys! Imagine a simplified cross-border shipping from China to Malaysia. With Send2Me, the cross-border payment and buyment process is much more easier. First, let's log on to send2me.com.my and let me show you the process. They support shipping from shopping cities like Taobao, 1688, Jingdong, and many more. You can check out the prohibited and sensitive items that are not allowed during the shipping process with Send2Me on the website. They have also included delivery and service fee calculation method on the website for you to check out by yourself. Next, all you have to do is input your details into the shipping fee calculator, and that's all. You can track your parcel and track your order through the website itself. So hurry up and check out Send2Me platform now.